Hello everybody, I'm Sadaf Afrin Sheikh. I have been working in Sabu Siddiq for 12 years. Many students often ask me what they could do to improve their English outside of the classroom. And learning a language is more than a sitting in a classroom and trying to absorb all the information from the teacher. It also requires extra effort of you. Doing some additional work is important if you really want to boost your language skills. So students, there are many ways for you to improve your level of English without spending too much money. I have listed for you my top 10 cheap ways to improve your English. So let's not waste the time and let's start the video. So 10 easy ways to improve your English. So number 1 is the English fluency reading method. This method will help you get input and will help you learn new words and phrases. And here is the method that gives you the best of both worlds. Number 1 is read a chapter at a time. Highlight words that you don't understand, but don't stop reading. Once you complete a chapter, go back and look up the highlighted words. Enter the sentences that contain these new words into space repetition software. Go back and read the book again once you have done all these. So it is really going to solve the problem between intensive and extensive reading. Intensive reading is where you read with a focus on the language, and extensive reading is where you read to enjoy the book. Next step is ABL, means always be listening. Just like reading, there are 2 ways to listen to English. Number 1, completely focus on what you're listening to, and number 2 is listen while doing other things. While I recommend making time for focused listening while doing other things is a fantastic way to do more in English. Find your favorite podcasts, YouTube videos and listen while walking the dog, working out, cooking, etc. And believe me, this will help you get used to the sounds of English and the way people talk. Now the third step is copy how native speakers speak. You are told not to copy others in school, but when it comes to learning English, I want you to copy English speakers. How? Let's see. Number 1, find sentences of English with audio. You can find it anywhere on YouTube or on any podcast. Number 2 is listen to the audio. Repeat after the speaker and record your own version. This you can use it while using different language software, where you will get to first listen the sentence and then you will get a time to repeat the sentence in the same tone. Next, compare your version to the original and make change. So this is how you're going to dramatically improve your accuracy when speaking, and you're also going to improve your vocabulary, your listening and your grammar. Now the 4th step is use flashcard to get the repetition you need. This is the next step in the to fluency method. Once you have mastered a phrase, get repetition. Use digital flashcard. Upload your own from books, TV shows, grammar books or anywhere really. This is how you are going to internalize correct English, and this is how you are going to speak without thinking or translating. Next step is shadow English speaker. The fluency method works on accuracy and fluency. Shadowing has more of a focus on fluency. Try this and let me know how it goes. Number 1, you find audio in English like a podcast or a TED Talk. Number 2, repeat what you hear without pausing the video. And third is optional. You walk while doing this. So find an audio that is easy to follow so that you can work on your fluency. And try this and let me know how it goes. 6th is write to improve your grammar. Learners don't practice their writing enough. But doing it right means that you are going to get some natural practice and get feedback on the mistake you make. So do this. To do this, you will need to get Grammarly free and paid version. This tool works on computers and mobile device, and it shows mistake you make with your grammar. So by using this and by using this software Grammarly, you can improve your grammar too. Number 7 is do what you do now, but in English. This is how you can immerse yourself in English no matter where you live. This is quite simple. Do what you do now, but do it in English. If you are researching a new camera to buy, do that in English. Watch TV in English. Turn the language of your device into English. Listen to English music. This gives you the input you need. Next step is find natural English speaking practice. This is where you put everything you have learned together and get speaking. Do this by finding a language exchange partner, and number 2, making English speaking friends, and find time to do this at least once per week. It makes learning easy. It makes learning English real and will help you improve your speaking and listening. Number 9 is focus on the type of English you need to learn. It's important to focus on 2 things here. Number 1 is frequently use everyday English phrases. And number 2 is vocabulary that you are going to use. For example, if you give presentations to English speakers on economic policy, learn phrases related to this. And the last is set a goal. This is very important. Without goal, you cannot achieve anything. So setting a goal is must. Having a goal means that you have something to aim for. It means that you can create a plan of action that will move you towards this goal. So that's all from me. I hope you like my video and find it interesting. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you really like my video, please press the like button. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.